and are very bullish. Buying at too high a price. What an idiot. Don't be Icarus. And you all know what happened to Icarus. They started to pay up on their spreads, didn't he? He started to pay up on his spreads, and what happened to him? The market maker, i.e. the sun, decided to burn them badly because he paid up for his spreads. He got too close. He got too close to the bid price, didn't he? Yeah. Too close to the bid price every time. Do not be Icarus. And how prophetic was that, guys? This was a tweet out at 10 o'clock this morning. 10 o'clock, not after the event, not after the drop, not after the market falls apart. 10 o'clock this morning. And, well, you can see what's happened since 10 o'clock. It's been a pretty interesting sell side story off that 19,600 level, hasn't it? So we got down to 19,250, and it's been chopping around since then. And it's not hidden from you. You might say, but I don't understand why. How easily was it to see this? Well, if we go back to this daily chart, and if you're trading equities, I'm assuming everybody does this. Again, there's that word assumption. And but unfortunately, we don't have any choice. We've got to assume you do the work. We can't be on your case all the time, 24 hours a day. So when I was looking at this last night, I was very, very concerned about what I was seeing. Is there anybody who looks at this daily chart and thinks we should buy up here at 5,600 on the S&P? Anybody at all thinks we should be long 5,600 here? So nobody thinks that, right? Nobody even looks at that and goes, oh my God, I better buy some up here. This is crazy good. This is almost a banker sell. Almost a banker sell, isn't it? It's not a good sell, it's a banker sell. So this morning I thought, you know what? I haven't seen anybody in the room yet talking about how big a sell this could be. So we did a little classroom this morning. We did a little classroom and we called it the Icarus trade at the top edge. And I tweeted out that storyline about do not be Icarus. Do not buy these top edges. You're going to get mauled. The guys in the London session will know this. If you were in, you would know that we told you to be selling that break of 19,600. We highlighted the two previous occasions where the sell came in at 19,600. And sure enough, it then tested 19,600 to give you the opportunity to get into that trade. And the takeaway from that bit of business was spectacular. Sell side, what a beauty. Sell side, what a beauty. So what are we looking at here? We're looking at, generally, we're always looking at these rotational bits of business. You can see here, we've got quality spreads on the charts here. And looking at these ideas, quality spreads, what have you. Very clear example of a technical sell coming in.